Nika Prevc from Slovenia. I train ski jumping and my best sport result is first place in Junior World Ski Championship in Zakopane. I actually enjoy on every training, but my favorite part of a ski jump is the flying part. I'm creating memories with my friends on every training and competition, and I think that my favorite one is winning the mixed team competition on EO Finalistov with my best friend. I can play the piano and ride a unicycle, and I also enjoy all the other winter sports, especially ice skating. I'm so glad for this nomination. This prize would give me a strong motivation so I could show the best version of myself in the upcoming winter season.